There's a short verse that has been on my heart for the last 2 days or so, and I think very fitting for this time of year, especially now that we've reached the end of our exam time, and next week we'll go back to usual dismissal time and sport and everything. Um, and you know, often the more tired we become and the longer the year drags on, there might be the temptation or the tendency to start moaning and groaning about a lot of things that we don't enjoy sometimes doing. But Philippians 2, verse 14 to 16 encourages us with the following: do everything without grumbling or arguing, so that you may become blameless and pure, children of God without fault in a warped and crooked generation. Then you will shine among them like stars in the sky, as you hold firmly to the word of life. And so may we go into this weekend and find good rest, come back on Monday and do the things that maybe we find difficult doing, that maybe we find hard to do. May we do them without grumbling and without arguing, because that is what Christ expects of us.